What is going on YouTube? This is Garrick Brown Art Studios. Of course, I'm Garrick, and we're back with another video. Listen, today we are going big. Yes, 2-foot panel board is getting painted today. We are doing a swipe. We're just gonna see what happens. So, without further ado, we're gonna get started. But before we get started, I have a secret. Yes, if you've been tuning in with me, you know that my secrets are actually tips, but secrets sound so much better. So, today's tip of the day, silicone. Now, I know you're thinking silicone like the stuff that people are pouring in paints and getting all these. No. Silicone instead of popsicle sticks, you are using silicone stirring sticks. Why? It's better for the environment in the long run, but it's so easy and it's oddly satisfying to peel paint off silicone. Trust me on this. Now, I don't have a lot of paint to peel because I peel it pretty quickly once it dries. But here we have some paint. You just get to peel it and it comes off clean. I mean, comes off clean. It's just I could peel paint all day. Real talk. Like silicone stirring sticks. I found these on Amazon. They have different styles. This is the first one that I got. And it's okay, but I prefer these. They are hard. I don't know what is under the silicone, but it is extremely hard. It must be some type of metal because I cannot bend it. And I just love them. So this is my tip of the day. They're about $9.99 for like a 6-pack. I'm probably actually going to get another pack because, like I said, I like to let the paint dry and peel it off. So I mix in multiple colors. I don't have to be drying and doing all that stuff. Hold up. I almost forgot. There are some additional benefits to silicone stirring sticks because this can also be used to stir resin. So if you are in the world of resin, we know resin is just a lot to work with. Great outcome, but just to get to that point is a lot. This is going to make it one step easier because resin does not stick to silicone. So you can peel the resin off just like you peel the paint off. That is a major advantage to using popsicle sticks to stir your paints and resin. All right, so we're going to move some of this paint around. One, we need to cover more of the canvas, but two, it also helps me spot little chunky things in the paint, which I see already. So we're going to pick those out. All right, here we go. And while we're getting this set up, the Turner acrylic gooch that you see is actually an interference. So it's pearl lilac. We will see it more when it dries. So I'm hoping it's going to really give that cool effect. So what I did is I mixed it with my pouring medium so it looks white here, and I added some iridescent medium made by Artist Loft, and that is going to add some metallic shine to it. So I'm expecting really great things from this beautiful lilac interference. And let's add a bonus color. We're going to add a little bit of teal. This is pre-mixed. It is also made by Artist Loft. I'm adding this in because it is an opaque color, and all of my colors today are transparent or semi-transparent. So I want to add a little bit of opaqueness to the pour and see if that gives us any effect. Okay. And we're going to top everything off with our lilac. All right, guys, here goes nothing. Okay, guys, so here is the colors before we tilt. Look. That black and white cell activator is just really sexy. And that lilac is not playing. It is popping through. Even though it's an interference, it is really popping through. So I can't wait to see what happens when we get to tilt. Now, as we get farther down the canvas, you'll see smaller cells, and then we get just a trail of colors. So I plan on stretching those cells down, and I want to leave some of this down here because it gives a nice effect, but we'll see what happens. I apologize about the glare, guys, but with a piece this big, it's inevitable. Look how our cells are stretching so beautifully, though. Okay. So I'm going to bring it back a little bit and tilt the other direction. Ooh, look at that lilac. It's gonna be gorgeous when it dries. Let's just say that. this portion that you see at the bottom, I love that, so I don't want to lose it. So I'm gonna try to hold on to it if I can. All right, so we are about to end this video. As always, I really appreciate you guys tuning in with me for all these videos. It really warms my heart, like the really nice comments and things like that you guys have to say. Like, I really don't take it lightly. Before I forget, we are nearing the end of our swipe series, so please list any comments below, any questions that you have about the swipe technique, because I have a slew of other things that I'm getting ready to start pushing out. I can't wait to release this dollar store hack. I'm super excited about that. I have a couple videos coming about paint consistencies. I bought some color art pigment that I want to touch on briefly. So a lot is coming up, but you cannot see any of this if you aren't subscribed. Like, you need that little notification, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and like this video and subscribe, and make sure you turn the notifications on with the little bell so you can know when I post. I don't post very often, but I try to post about twice a week. So like I say, any questions, listed below. As always, do everything with love. Until next time, peace.